Nothing Ear 2 gets a black variant and new audio features. The Nothing Ear 2 is a compelling product thanks to its unique looks, good audio quality, and robust app. Nothing has released a black variant of its Ear 2 TWS earbuds ahead of the Phone 2 launch. The new colorway includes new audio features for the Nothing X app, including advanced equalizer for Ear 2 and Ear Stick, and noise reduction for Ear Stick. Both features are available for compatible devices today. It looks like the Nothing Ear 2 black color variant does exist, and even ready to ship, according to a bunch of images shared by Roland Quant on Twitter. The new color variant looks very sleek, and it's expected to be a popular choice. Nothing Ear 2 price and specs. Nothing Ear 2 launched earlier this year at price $9,999 in India. It features high-res audio and LHDC 5.0 technology, and comes with support for custom sound tuning through its companion app, Nothing X. The Nothing Ear 2 has a dual-chamber design that is designed to enhance the overall sound quality and provide a smoother airflow. The wireless earbuds also come with personalized ANC support that is claimed to achieve up to 40 dB of noise reduction. It also has adaptive noise cancellation mode that automatically adjusts the noise reduction level based on the environment. In terms of battery life, the Nothing Ear 2 are claimed to offer up to 26 hours of music playback on a single charge without ANC. The wireless earbuds come with fast charging support that is claimed to get you 8 hours of power on just a 10-minute charge. The Nothing Ear 2 also support fast charging. The new look retains the same basic design, transparent elements and all, though the signature look of Nothing's transparent design isn't as flashy on this color. The case is also much darker, similarly hiding much of the transparency. Still, it's a sleek look, and one that many are sure to enjoy. The new Ear 2 variant is available now, and shipping within 2 days. It's unclear how long it will be available,